TQL is tackling climate change through 3 efforts: partnering with industry experts, reducing empty miles and food waste, and promoting less carbon-intensive modes and services. We are dedicated to minimizing our environmental footprint by partnering with sustainability-focused organizations. In collaborating with SmartWay, an EPA program, we move hundreds of thousands of loads more sustainably through their certified carriers. Supported by the American Chemistry Council and Together for Sustainability, who help set industry standards, we take great care in transporting materials that could pose environmental risks if mishandled, like chemicals. We also have our own in-house programs that reduce waste. We're finding more ways to make sure that food reaches tables and not landfills. Through our operational food salvage process and our charitable Moves That Matter program, we redistribute a significant amount of food annually to communities in need. Wasted food isn't our only focus. Empty miles are freight waste. They're miles driven without any freight. We continue to surpass our goal of reducing 45 million empty miles by 2025 through the utilization of our carrier network and proprietary technology. While we're reducing truckload empty miles, we're also proud to offer intermodal services, which have a significantly reduced carbon footprint compared to trucks. Connect with us to learn how you can partner with TQL to drive sustainable solutions. Together, we can make a greater impact.